Hi guys, welcome to my space. Na the whole point nimefungua hii space is because I realized, I get these requests so many times. I have so many guys who keep telling me, you need to do a master class on sales, on marketing, and I realized there are so many people approaching me the same thing. Kila mtu ananiambia, so ananiambia, hey bro, you need to tell us how you do this thing, how does the marketing work, how do you improve yourself as a salesperson. And after seeing that tweet, there's a tweet that was that Nani made, Car Advice Kenya, and I was like, okay, the fact that you see a lot of people who are trashing what especially car salesmen go through. And I had this idea to come up with a space where we talk about stories of sales and marketing, how to approach the whole business thing, because I think sales and marketing are the most important part of any business. It doesn't matter what sort of company you have. You could have invested 10 billion, 100 billion. If you can't sell products or if you can't sell services, then you're dead in the water. So I don't know. I think I'll go with the option of taking questions. So if anybody wants to ask me a question, I think I'm going to take questions for the next 1 hour. So I see the first person to request is a guy called Duncan. So let me add him as a speaker. Duncan, upatikani, sikuoni. Namwona ako offline, but I'm ready to take questions. I don't know who's going to. Oh, naona Sidon ame request. Cha tuanze na Sidon. I'll add you as a speaker. So Sidon, you can now go ahead and ask me any question you want.
Oh, hey, hello, Khalif. Hello, Khalif. Hello, guys.
Tunaweza nakusikia vizuri kabisa. Proceed
Oh,
Sidon.
okay, okay. Oh,
Yeah.
okay, 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 okay. Yeah, my question is okay. Due to the competitive realm ya car dealership, car yards,
Uh-huh.
kitu kama hizo. So
Yeah.
my question is, do you think
Mhm.
as in guys wengi wakijaribu kuingia kwa hiyo sector as in ina, I think as in ina dupe hiyo competition juu yeah, watu wengi wakijaribu kuingia to the same industry using the same strategies in
Mhm.
marketing nini cards yeah, vitu kama
Mhm.
hizo watu tunataka tu kuingia kwa sababu some few companies some few cards as in zina
Mhm.
prosper. Sa watu wakijaribu kuingia, do you think as in ina dupe the inaitwaje the global scale as in the global scale competitivity ya Kayad. Yeah.
Okay, I think from what I've understood venye nimeelewa swali yako, I think
Yeah.
you're trying to ask kama the fact that there are so many people doing the same thing, if it has
Yeah.
an effect on the general quality of the business and everything.
Yeah.
Well, okay, there are two ways to look at it. Kuna two schools of thought ukiangalia stories za biashara, especially stories za competition. There are
Yeah.
people who view competition as if ni kama they should be making all the sales and they deserve to make money, and other people don't deserve to make money. There are people who view things from that perspective. I don't belong to that school of thought. I belong to a school of thought that resonates that the more we are in a certain industry, if we innovate, if we come up with new products, if we come up with new solutions, if we come up with a way of putting in place guidelines of regulating the industry, we are actually meant to make more money. You see, for instance, if you have five, I'll use an example of doctors. If you have five doctors doing the same thing, all of them are the same age and use the same methods, then you have another country that has 50 doctors trying different things, trying different approaches, but they have sort of the same standards za kufanya biashara, the country with more competition actually tends to move forward at a faster rate. So me na believe like I think there's a lot of space, especially kwa industry ya magari Kenya. Kama electric cars in itself is a whole untapped industry. Apart from guys like kina Mwanzo, a very few people, maybe kina Rivian, nionanga Rivian huku. Nobody's selling Tesla in Kenya. So there's so many opportunities in the car sales industry. You just need to think outside the box. Mimi from where I sit as as the founder of Kai and Karo, kuna vitu mingi nimeangalia kwa industry and there are so many opportunities. The only mistake Kenyans make is tunatakanga kucopy. Like mimi
Yeah.
nitafanya chenye nimeona msee mwingine akifanya instead of innovating. But